عليكم ورحمة الله وتعالى وبركاته. وإذن السلام عليكم خير كبدن ميل كستا دونك عددك جوجتان سلام السلام كودك سلامي ما شاء الله تبارك الله ولا ليك سو دواده ولا شيء هذا is cooking. So today إن شاء الله وحاربة chicken fry نسميه هدو الله الرحمن كأود لك الرالي نقضة. So إن شاء الله وحاربة إن لو ذا أقول وحي أنك سميه الله يصير سكودر دري إن شاء الله بإذن الله الرحمن. وفيديو ما شاء الله الله يدين بركيه وما يلقى استعدون تعالسك جولتان جزاكم الله خير. سيدا في عنا مرو بيقول حرنتينا وداوتان فيديو إذا الله يسوع الله سبحانه وتعالى أجر حسنا هذا كسيو آدي هذا ما سنتين. Hi guys, this is Hodan. Sister Hodan is cooking. I'm sorry. So today I need to share with you guys a chicken fry. So I need like KFC. It's not, but I try. It's my best. So I enjoyed. Thank you so much, guys. So this one I need to show you guys how I made it and how I mix together and how I fry. So enjoy the video, like, share, subscribe, inshallah. And I appreciate for all the time you watching my video. So thank you so much. Thank you. I love you guys all and enjoyed my video. So I'm sorry my English. I'm sorry my English is broken, but my second language is my first language Somali. So enjoy the video, guys. Here we go. So this is I want to dip it inside in the chicken. Here is the chicken. I boil a little bit water and then I took out. This is bread I made ground. I use this machine, the ground machine. This kind of bread, the slices. So I make dry and then I grounded this machine. So here is I have this kind of color. It's a little bit hot, but it's good. And this one is they call a kara. Hawaji kara, I don't know. So this one is the vegetable together, and so I want to mix. And when I dip here, and then I want to put this one, the chicken I wrap, and then I put the fry oil, okay? A hot oil. See this one, this pan I want to use when I cook it. So I put the oil up there. So marka walaalay waa mahsantiin kan waa qudaartaan isku dardaray. And also I'm sorry, it is flour inside is the flour. And also I add this color, orange color. They make the color is different because it's the flour in it. I add all-purpose flour. So this one. Okay, walaalay qaaliga kan waxa way burka mala waxa laga duwan ku daray xooga. حواجي أنا كدري سانو قبرتين كان كدري وبس باسر وليه كان واكيا هرو تقانين إن شاء الله. هل كانوا حنكوستا روتي يا شيدوا روتي أو سلايس كأما مرسنا عيال طلع مرمريو ونقلجيه وشيدوا فدار تجانا كسبان كذا الجروي على قسم سكرتها كان وايسس روستي والاسم مرسدا سو كاسن كشيدة حقنا قريب لابتان إن شاء الله. أوكي. waxaa istar gareynayna kana waa chickenkii on beerisan wax yar ku buriyay because gudaha ceyrinu ka noqonaa moogta beeran ku buriya ka soo bixiyay daadse suugaan ku soo laabanayo wax yar wait a minute guys I come back. So waxaa in ka ilaabay rooti kanaan ku shiiday walaalahayga kanaan ku shiiday mashiinkaan ku shiitay waxa lagu shiitaa xawaajiyada iyo heelkiya lagu shiitaa dukaamada meel kasta laga gataa insha Allah garam buru kaaga dhigaya. marka insha Allah bismillah saliid had ku shubanaynaa saliid waatana. I don't have fry oil but I want to use this one today. Okay, it's gonna come delicious mashallah. So here we go, ready to watch. Okay, I want to dip it. You have to do like this. You see? Yeah, I have to use my hand, but I don't like to put on the gloves. So my hand, Allah give us the reason for the hand, you know. Alhamdulillah, ilahi gacmaha reason uu noo siiyey inaan ku shaqaysano wax ku qabsano. Alhamdulillah, inta aan haysana ilahi subxaana wa tacaala ha u gargaaro. So I want to, God bless, Allah has given us hand. So you see guys, I want to put here, I want to roll like this. Sorry, I want to roll like this, and then when it is ready, I put the hot oil. So it's gonna come like mashallah. كل ما يجي نقصي برونايا يقصي دحق الديب وسي نقطة. Okay, so this is the lunch. I need to make lunch with egg rice. Okay, this is delicious, mashallah. Enjoy the video, guys. Thank you so much, I appreciate. Homemade food is delicious, you know. That's my favorite is cooking, you know. I love cooking. I love to cook all the time. So I need to, the people follow me, they're learning. Some people, you know, they need help, so they wait to watch and then they do it, and then mashallah, they're proud. I'm so proud. The people share with you, I share with you this thing. I am so proud, guys. So thank you. I'm mahadsantiin walaalahayga khayrka iyo barakada badan. Sida ma aragtay aan mar walba jeclahay inaan waxaan samaysto aan idinla wadaago naftiina. Naftayda jeclaatay inaan idinla share gareeyo, waan idinla wadaago wax kasta oo ma aragtay aan samaysanayo. Insha Allah, wiil iyo gabar, boys and girls, everybody they can cook, you know. It's no lady only. Even the guys, they cooking the food, so they're supposed to learn. We have boys and girls, so I have to teach them how, whatever we know. So I'm excited when, you know. Thank you so much, guys. I'm sorry, and I'm back when the oil is ready. Hey guys, I'm back. waan soo noqday walaalahayga insha Allah. Hadda waxaan bilaabayaa sidaan u dubi lahaa. Hasan ka dhig bismillaahir rahmaanir rahiim. Allahumma salli ala sayyidina Muhammad. I have to start it when I started the gardening. See? See how quick I was making that? هذا بحكي لي إياه هيستا أو كدوة، لكن أنا يمكن تشتغل اللي هو ده فهمتي. Boys and girls, enjoy the video, watch it, and then you can make your house fried chicken, you know. So, and then when you take out, put it this one. This oil is going down here. Come out with the blade. It's nice. Clean. قرابات ينفرق شوية ما فهمتي شيء قرط وسنغط Okay. Already waa karsan bahalkan in la shiilo bisa la rabo ma fahantay. See how it looks like. Maxaa imaada haddana. Okay. We're gonna wait a little bit and then we're gonna take out and then I'll come back when I finish it. MashaAllah, tabarakallah. You see that, guys? Chicken jiwakana diyar wa. MashaAllah. Ilaahu inta haysan si inta haysatan u ziyaadi. Ilaahay subxaanahu wa ta'ala ha idin xifdiyo walaalahayga khayrka badan meel kasta oo joogtaan. Videoga maaragtay MashaAllah. Like iyo share iyo comment iyo xagiina waa insha Allah iyo subscribe-ka. intaan video ka xiga kala kulmi doono insha Allah waa isku soo noqon doonaa khayr iyo barwaaqa idinkaga tagay asxaabteyda kala hadlaa dartaan. Thank you guys, I'm back. See the chicken how it look like, so nice and delicious. I'm all done. Thank you so much. I appreciate guys. Share, subscribe, like. Okay guys, enjoy the video. God bless you and see you next video. Bye guys.